Perched dramatically atop a limestone hill overlooking the Slovakian countryside, Spiš Castle stands as a monumental and awe-inspiring testament to the country's medieval history and architectural prowess. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, located near the town of Spiš Castle, captures the imagination of visitors with its imposing ruins, panoramic views, and rich historical significance. Spiš Castle's origins date back to the 12th century, and its evolution through different architectural styles is evident in its grandeur. Its massive stone walls, towers, and courtyards conjure visions of knights, royalty, and the intricate lives that once unfolded within its walls. The castle's expansive grounds invite exploration and offer a glimpse into its historical significance as a strategic fortress and a symbol of power. The castle's complex layout includes several palaces, chambers, and courtyards that reflect its historical transformations. The central courtyard showcases the castle's evolution, with structures ranging from Romanesque to Gothic styles. The pentagonal tower, an iconic feature, provides stunning views of the surrounding landscapes and the nearby Tatra Mountains. Spiš Castle's interiors, while in ruins, offer glimpses into its past through archaeological exhibits, artifacts, and reconstructions. The castle's chapel, with its well-preserved frescoes, adds an element of spirituality and artistic beauty to the visit. Beyond its historical significance, Spiš Castle's setting is breathtaking. The panoramic views from its hilltop perch encompass the picturesque Spiš region, with its rolling hills, charming villages, and fertile landscapes. The castle's surroundings also include a beautiful orchard, adding to the serene atmosphere. The castle's significance has led to its inclusion in several films and cultural events, further enhancing its allure. The Spiš Castle Festival, featuring historical reenactments, concerts, and performances, brings the castle's history to life in a dynamic and engaging way. Exploring the nearby town of Spiš Castle offers insights into local life and complements the castle experience. Local restaurants and cafes provide opportunities to sample traditional Slovak cuisine and regional flavors, creating a culinary journey that enhances the visit. Whether you're marveling at the castle's imposing architecture, soaking in the panoramic views, immersing yourself in its historical significance, participating in cultural events, savoring local delicacies, or simply enjoying the tranquility of its surroundings, a visit to Spiš Castle promises an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Slovakia's medieval heritage, architectural grandeur, and natural beauty, leaving a lasting impression on all who venture into its majestic embrace.